Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all.
Can you say one for me to do later?
Yeah, I can save
Eventually.
some for you. Probably in a minute.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. I started making her own laundry soap a little while ago out of a soap bar, which I think is like $1.97. So I've been doing it for 2 weeks. That's right, you just grate it up, buddy. Can you get back to it? And I just put it in those empty bottles and fill it up with warm water, shake it up so it dissolves, and then let it sit. And as it cools, it's going to get thicker. So this is still the same zote bar, and I just cut it into thirds. And this will last us for another 2 weeks, and then the last chunk will last another 2 weeks. So for 6 weeks, that's laundry soap for $2. So it's pretty awesome.
You put it in there?
Yep. I think that's the hardest part, is getting it in the bottles.
We could get a funnel.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
I think we have 2 white funnels.
Mm. Does it get stuck in the funnel?
I'll get a straw. Push it down.
Air was more salubrious. The nights were more restful. Their noses did not dry out. So yeah, they never. I've mentioned that I'm trying to redo our garden this year, and I've made a couple raised beds, and I plan to make some more. But unfortunately, our Great Pyrenees puppy, whose name is Hagrid, we love him dearly, but he is getting in the garden bed. And this one in particular, I already planted some seeds in there, some Swiss chard, what else? Some sweet peas. I think that might be it, but anyhow, he has stomped all in it, so it's probably not as organized as it was. But I'm gonna put up wire. I'm gonna have to put up wire around each garden bed, I guess, to keep him out of it. This wire may actually be too high. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bend down over it to harvest anything. We'll see. If it is, I can just make it lower. I got the wire put up around the tire, and I'm hoping it's enough to deter Hagrid from jumping in there. I hope he can see that if he does jump in there, it's going to be awkward and hard for him to get out. But as sweet as he is, he's not the brightest. So we'll just see, and if we have to make adjustments, then that's what we'll... This garden bed right here, I haven't put any wire on because I don't have anything growing in there yet, but when I do, I'll have to add some. And yeah, it's kind of a little bit of a bummer. I kind of was hoping that he would leave. Sorry, a loud truck is coming. I was really hoping that he would leave the garden beds alone. So now, you know, there's just one more thing that I need to do to get the garden ready and protected. The trellis over here, I'm going to plant the cucumbers and the tires, and I think that's going to work out well. I really like how it looks, and I was glad to find a way to utilize those 4 tires. And the other tire, I think I'm just going to plant zinnias in it.
Read about oceans. No. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
Go.
Probably died. Did he go out? No, I put it in. Oh. Okay, good.